Electric cars versus petrol cars, which is better? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, afternoon, evening to all of you. Today, we are here to discuss one of the biggest debates in the automotive world: electric cars versus petrol cars. Which one is better? In recent years, the rise of electric cars has sparked discussions worldwide. Many believe they are the future, while others still trust the reliability of petrol-powered vehicles. So, let's compare both and find out which one truly stands out. 1. Environmental impact. Electric cars (EVs) are known for being environmentally friendly. They produce zero emissions, reducing air pollution and helping fight climate change. On the other hand, petrol cars release carbon dioxide and other harmful gases, contributing to global warming. So, when it comes to saving our planet, electric cars are the clear winners. 2. Cost efficiency. Petrol prices are constantly rising, making it expensive to own a fuel-powered car. In contrast, charging an electric vehicle is much cheaper than refueling with petrol. Plus, maintenance costs for EVs are lower since they have fewer moving parts and don't require oil changes. In the long run, electric cars save more money. 3. Performance and range. Petrol cars have ruled the roads for decades, offering high speeds and long-range capabilities. Many sports cars and luxury brands still prefer petrol engines due to their powerful performance. However, modern electric cars are catching up fast. Brands like Tesla and Porsche have proved that EVs can be just as fast, if not faster, than petrol cars. The only drawback: charging takes longer than refueling, and charging stations aren't as common as petrol stations yet. 4. Convenience and infrastructure. One major challenge for electric cars is charging infrastructure. While petrol stations are everywhere, EV charging stations are still growing. This makes long-distance travel more challenging for EV owners. However, governments and companies are investing in building more charging stations, making EVs more convenient over time. 5. Future of automobiles. The world is moving towards electric mobility. Many countries are planning to ban petrol and diesel cars in the near future to reduce pollution. Companies like Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes are investing billions into EV technology, proving that electric cars are the future. Conclusion. So, which is better, electric or petrol? The answer depends on your needs. If you love long drives and quick refueling, petrol cars might still be your choice. But if you care about the environment, want to save money, and believe in future technology, electric cars are the way forward. No matter which side you choose, one thing is clear: the automotive industry is evolving, and electric vehicles are here to stay. Thank you.